Good morning everyone and welcome back to the vlog. In yesterday's video, we actually went to the GoPro Hero 11 Black launch, and today we are going to be testing this. This is the 11 Black with the video creator content kit, the Volta handle, the media mod, and then the media mod light. I am actually shooting also on the GoPro Hero 11 Black, which I got from Singapore, and we're going to be taking these two cameras today and showing you guys how useful they are, especially with this extended battery from the Volta handle. It makes shooting with the camera all day such a breeze. Now I don't need to remove the media mod every time I'm running low on battery. We're going to be taking these cameras to check out some of the cars that we have in the project line. So we're gonna jump into the GT40 and then head down to Second Skin. Any air conditioning and they would be running this car for hours with just this little window and maybe a little roof scoop. They were just surviving on the outside air when they were moving. Insane. And the Miata is here. Okay. There's no easy way to get out of this car. Morning! Aga nyo ah! Hello! We're gonna unload the spec Miata first. We used camel toe because the car is coding today. Wow! Ah, okay. Naka-off. Thank you! Archie's here. Wow! Oh wow. Okay, one car down. Check out those colors. You're early.
Hello. Yeah, I'm early. It's my first time being early this week. Sakto, I forgot you're coming. But hello. Perfect
Nice.
timing.
Forgot I'm coming, but we're here.
Yeah, we're here. You want to see the color?
In a bit, I will tip this guys,
Okay.
and then the SLS is on the way also.
Oh, nice.
The Evo is here. They haven't started wrapping the Evo. Let me tip the camel toe guys so that they can get on their way. Look at that vibrant color.
It's Angie color.
Can we do those magic tricks where we just slam it on the car and boom, it changes color?
We can do that, actually. We can do that.
The magic of VFX. Let's park the GT40 inside so it doesn't get super hot. Le Mans style. Oh yes! So I'm 5'11", Archie's 6'1", and I'm slim.
I'm pretty big.
I struggle getting in and out. So it's Le Mans style. You gotta shoot your legs in.
Okay.
And then sit down.
Both legs?
Yes.
Okay.
It's gonna be hard to get one in and then bend the other. So we're gonna see if Archie can fit into the
so
GT40.
The challenge is this is the GT40 challenge. Okay, up and easy. There we go.
There you go. Boom! Wow.
It's so small.
Oh my god. Okay, Archie's head is...
Yeah, it's gonna hit.
You need the bubble top.
I have to do this.
Your knees are hitting already.
Yeah, my knees are hitting.
So there's a height limit for these cars.
So apparently it's 5'11".
I'm already...
If I try to close it, wala, it's gonna hit my...
I'm touching na, yeah.
Wow, it's so...
It's a tiny car. Yeah, you can... It's like, if I want to give Archie a haircut, I just need to close the door.
Actually, head cut na, head cut.
Head cut pala, head cut.
I'm gonna be like this. It's not gonna work.
No bueno.
No bueno. Okay, now, getting in is easy, getting out.
The magic getting out.
Whoa.
Yes, scoot on the side sill.
Ay, kaya.
Ay, kaya.
Kaya.
Ah.
Flexible tayo.
Fit, fit. Nice and
Wow,
fit.
it's so low, Angie.
40 inches. The original 40 inches from the ground.
Look at it compared to the McLaren.
Yeah.
720S. It's already pretty low, but
Oh,
yo, it's like a foot higher. Even more.
you're right.
Wow, it's so low.
Trying the 10-bit color, look at the silver of the Camaro. So radical,
Perfect, actually, it's red also.
and then a gorgeous Porsche.
Wow,
What do you think?
I love it. SLS GT3. It's so wide.
One of 80 in the world.
Way wider than the Black Series.
That's why I'm wearing my Benzo cap.
Oh, okay. Kaya pala.
Diba?
Ganda. I love it.
Wala sinabi yung Black Series dito.
Wala talaga. Like, look at that wing.
Hello.
So what happened here?
Okay. Neutral. I don't even know how much gas we have. We think the car has no fuel, so we're gonna buy some fuel and then put some gas. I actually don't know how to engage reverse in this car. I haven't spent a lot of time with this car. I haven't gotten educated. All I learned was how to start it. We are going to be changing the flywheel because we feel like there's some slack in the flywheel. But beyond that, I have zero clues about this car. So the car is winched on and we're just gonna roll it off. We're gonna buy some gas and try to put some fuel in it.
It's so wide.
It barely fits the tow truck. I think that's it. We gotta push.
Yeah, I think good.
Oh, still going.
This one over here. So it's color white underneath. And you can see the adhesive. Alright, let's go, Angie.
I'm afraid it might move out. It's like Wolf of Wall Street.
Wow, so low.
Oh God.
It's so wide and so low.
Ano, what's your favorite?
Yeah, ang cute eh.
It's like, I don't know what to look at.
I can't wait to see a road version of this.
I don't know why I own this car.
It's sexy as fuck.
Ah,
Ang ganda.
I think we need an...
It's super not practical. Talagang contract lang.
Oh yeah. We're just testing out some batteries. These are batteries for the junior cars. Just need to do a quick voltage check so that we can inform the supplier, because he thinks that we got too much high voltage batteries. His video was showing 2.6 volts and we were showing like 3.5 volts. So we're almost a whole volt over his battery.
I like that.
Oh, so gorgeous. Okay, Archie's gotten us some gas. We finished doing the voltage for the batteries. Let's see if it will start again.
The moment of truth.
Okay. Again, power, ignition. Just hold the clutch in just to be sure.
Is it working?
It's a little cold, feel it.
Oh yeah.
Not bad, not bad. We'll try to roll it forward. Flashing. Oh wow, it's like auto flash.
Let's do it again.
F1. I like that.
Yeah, it's pretty good. Kinda sounds like a Harley Davidson. Angie found the reverse. That's how you do it. Oh my god. GT car, all carbon. Very nice.
Okay, we can't find a reverse. I'm gonna call the owner. I just can't stop looking at the car. It's so beautiful. Should we wrap it purple? Wow, wow, friends.
Yeah.
The one word of today, Friday.
TGIFs with Angie.
It sounds good, it looks good, and we decided we're going to make our own livery. We were going to copy a livery online, which is a gaming livery, but
We decided to make our own because it's the only one here. And
it's such a special car, yeah. So
I'm gonna be in Clark on Tuesday for Radical. I'm gonna try one of the cars.
Oh,
Let's
wow. Wait, no, I'm going home to the farm.
Oh yes,
We're gonna be building cars.
We're gonna be building 2 more white body cars.
I gotta finish the cars and send it down to you because I'm excited to finish those cars also.
I'm excited to see them.
Yes. So we just bring the best, craziest, limited cars here to Second Skin because Archie and the team, they've got it covered.
We got it covered, literally.
Oh yeah.
We got you covered.
Nailed that.
Yeah,
Okay.
So we're gonna strip it apart.
Yep.
Remove all the existing wrap. Bye, Angie. And
Thank you.
see you. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
See you for the next project.
See you next week. See you next week.
On this thing is so heavy. Traffic is not its friend. Anyway, I'm supposed to do a photo shoot with the GT40 this afternoon, but it got cancelled because the weather looks sort of gray. So we decided to reschedule it. For now, I guess I'm gonna end the vlog. I can't wait to edit the footage and see if I can come up with IG reel and then also a YouTube reel. So stay tuned for that. See you guys soon. Starting to download the files from the GoPro so that we can do a quick edit. And I don't know which app I'm gonna use to edit it, but definitely have to download everything. After that, I'm gonna download the files here in the GoPro that I'm holding, and we're gonna do 2 edits. We're going to do one for YouTube and then one for IG stories or IG reels.